To work the sushi counter, a chef must be both a master craftsman and an entertainer. Luckily, Keiji Tsukasaki knows how to work the crowd.
We are fun place, but serious.
Keiji is the chef and owner of Limited Edition Sushi. Located in the heart of Capitol Hill, this omakase-only spot is one of the most coveted reservations in town. There are just 16 seats, and the restaurant only does 2 seatings a night.
The restaurant name is Limited Edition. So I want to make sure it's small, everything limited, one menu, so I can control the fish qualities more.
The after-hours club vibe here is intentional and fitting. Keiji traveled the world as a DJ, playing massive rooms for about a decade before deciding it was time for a career change.
I noticed the restaurant's pretty good. Like, it's similar vibes as going to nightclub and going to restaurant. Like, you still have to go there, right? You cannot get it from digital. You actually have to go there physically, have to eat it. I chose sushi because it's very close to customers.
At Limited Edition, the experience is predicated on fun, but the approach to sushi is serious. Rooted in the Japanese Edo-mai style, Keiji learned training under 2 Seattle sushi luminaries, Shiro Kashiba and Taichi Kitamura. It was during that time he met Jun Kobayashi, now the head sushi chef at Limited Edition.
For the sushi wise, it's a more serious side. Yeah, it's like that's why called Edo-mai style, like very traditional way. Our ingredients we don't want to do too much. Wild fish, if the good fish has the potential, it's to be good taste. If you do too much, you want to keep adding the ingredient, soy sauce, everything. It's it's all disappear.
So maybe grab the knife here.
Today, Keiji and Jun are attempting to teach me the basics of sushi making, starting with breaking down a whole mackerel.
Don't look too much. Okay. It's gonna be okay.
Let's just say my knife skills could use some work.
You want to take a heads off.
Right, okay.
Right? Both sides.
Yep. Do you want to go straight through or do you just cut it?
There's a technique, but don't worry too much.
Okay, so there's a technique and we're not doing it.
It's gonna be too much. There you go, and put it. Yeah, that's good enough. Then
That's good enough.
I mean, so you never done?
No, never. Zero times I've done this.
You don't feel that
I think that's too much technique already. Just simple.
No surprise, the masters are doing most of the heavy lifting. Honestly, it's just safer that way. And when it comes to shaping the sushi, well, I'm giving it my best effort.
Get the rice, right? Make round.
Okay.
Use these fingers to get some wasabis. At this point, whatever you think is gonna be good, just
So
make it.
we're just shaping it.
Yeah, shape it, right? If you think it's good.
Well, I'm looking at yours and I'm deciding that it's not as good.
Doesn't matter.
Maybe I'll just keep working it. Which one of these was made by the professional? You be the judge.
Now the area where I really excel. Time to eat.
Wow,
So good.
really nice. Honest review. How was my sushi making?
Actually, it was good. It's all about heart, and you do a good job. Maybe not skill-wise, but you try to focus. You try to put your heart, try to make nice. Then that tastes good. Everything tastes good.
For Seattle Refined,
Kampai.
I'm Brandon Bernstead.